Hello, today's topic is extreme programming. Extreme programming is a agile software development methodology characterized by its emphasis on, on rapid and iterative more development cycles. It prioritizes the pro, production of code and direct direct benefits for the customers above all other activities. Unlike traditional approaches, XP that is XP plays a strong focus on user stories which are briefly narrowed created by the customers to describe system behaviors. This shift from traditional requirements to user stories allows more for flexibility and responsiveness to customers needs throughout the development process. XP Pro XP prioritizes getting work code into the hands of user quickly. This achieved by minimal upfront documentations, focusing on short development cycles with short customer collaborations, customer collaborations, and customer defines user story that detailed desired functionalities, and these stories are implemented within a short iteration. These are the key principles. And user stories. User stories. EXP replaces traditional lengthy requirements documentations with user stories. These user stories are concise, narrative, written from the customer's viewpoint, describing a specific system behavior, which each user story has limited scope, typically achievable within a few weeks. User stories are planned to used to plan and prioritize development efforts, focusing on functionalities that deliver the most value to the customer. And XP the XP development cycle. XP development cycle. Uh, the first stage is exploration phase. In exploration phase, there will be a regular update in the user story, and we create a user story for the uh, user stories, uh, like in the agile development. And planning phase. In the next phase is planning phase. We will assess the priorities and estimate the efforts, what are we going to put. And the next phase is iteration to the release phase. uh, in this phase, we will be delivering the deliverables in a weekly fashion, and we will going to do it in a pair programming method. Pair programming means it is nothing but two people will uh, develop develop in a feature. And the next phase is production phase. In production phase, there will be the small deliverables that we're going to deploy. And the death phase, the final release, we will integrate all features and the deliverables are we already provided. And the last phase is the maintenance phase. We will release the updates uh, after the release. This is a weekly cycle. The quarterly term, the big circle is the quarterly term theme cycle. The big the This is the big circle, defines the goal, that is the theme of the 3 month, broken down into small goals epics. The weekly user story cycle, smaller chunks, the small circle is the user story cycle. Each week, epics are Epics are further broke down into user stories, smaller tasks that are estimated and prioritized and completed. And XP practices. Extreme programming incorporates a set of practices that promotes a collaboration, co-quality, and efficient development. Pair programming, where the two developers work together on one machine, is a core practice that foster knowledge sharing and in, i- improve code quality. Collective ownership encourages all all team members to take responsibility for the code base. Informative workspace keeps the team agile with the project process goal and the goals. Test-driven development. Test-driven developments ensures the code functionality and the maintainability to maintainability by requiring unit tests to be the written written before. Strength and weaknesses of the um, extreme programming. Extreme programming offers several advantages, including rapid development cycle, improving code quality through practices like pair programming and test-driven development, and close collaboration with the customer. However, EXP emphasizes on minimal documentation. Any post challenges for the large maintaining the large and complex projects. Additionally, XP may not be suitable for the safety critical systems where extensive documentation and the verification process are mandatory. And the conclusion: EXP is a value ESB EXP XP is a valuable approach for specific project types, particularly small projects with evolving requirements. However, it's suitable for large complex systems or a safety critical projects requires careful consideration the discussion surrounding the XPs. Thank you.